Roar. Oh, okay, Critter Catcher here, guys. And today, we're going to be looking in this bucket. Now, I know I've done a bunch of snake videos and lizard videos and stuff like that, but this, I don't think any people have fear of this, unless it's like, I don't know what, I think it's going to be, well, everybody knows the phrase of, I like turtles, and if you do, you're going to like this video. What I have in here is a box turtle. He's alive too. There he is, right there. And I actually caught this guy the funniest way ever. I was at my pond fishing, and he just looked at my lure. Oops, what is going on? And he looked at my lure, and then all of a sudden he went underwater. He came back up, and I was like, he better not be trying to get my lure. And my lure is actually a cricket lure, and turtles, I don't know if they like to eat crickets. So I just started twitching it just to try to get him away, but that didn't work at all. He just went straight to it, and he got it, and I pulled him in. And it was pretty hard to get the hook out of him, because on top of his mouth, the barb and the hook was in, and the hook was super small. So I actually went to people's houses to see if they have any pliers, but nobody answered any house that I went to. And as you can see, he is very, very, very dirty. Oh, you like that? Hey, buddy. He's opening up his mouth. Well, there's a turtle. And I guess he's about 2 to 3 pounds. And his tail actually got bit off by something, probably an alligator snapping turtle. But, oh, you gonna crawl? I'm really trying to get all the algae. That's all algae. That's not skin. That's algae. Really trying to get all the algae and stuff off him. Well, you see the turtle right here. I was hoping he would move and walk a little bit. But I'm seeing, maybe if I just be quiet, he might move. Alright, that's not working. Well, that's the box turtle. Well, better catch her out.